Okay, open your eyes and walk over here, Jace. What's up here? Come here. Come on. What is this?
My doggy.
Yeah.
Want me to hold her?
It's a him. Get up there. Climb up there with him. Let me see your faces. Say hi to the puppy. Is that our new puppy?
This is my puppy.
What are we going to name him?
Cowsy.
No, that's our baby's name. What are we going to name the puppy?
Dodger.
Don't pull his tail.
I like her.
It's a him.
Hi, puppy. I can't hold her.
No.
Why?
Give him a kiss. Good job.